Oh, yeah. And my orange SIM card, in the middle of a Google Maps journey, decided that I didn't have a connection to whatever and stopped giving me directions and wouldn't let me make a phone call. It's totally charged up and I have lots of balance left. Yeah, in my own experience so far, a month and a half, no, I mean a half a month, orange is the shits. So when it comes to getting a permanent number, I'm gonna go with either Movistar or Vodafone. Orange, the people in the stores know absolutely jack shit and couldn't care less, or could care less, or couldn't care less. Yes, couldn't care less. And they don't have access to all your account stuff, and they just kind of want to brush you off. Excuse me. On the web, it's impossible to figure out what you actually signed up for and what you're paying for. And obviously, the guys in the little mini tiendas that sell you the SIM cards, they basically don't know anything. They just hand you whatever SIM card they're getting a bonus for that month. And they can't explain how your plan works either, or how you top it up. So my orange service stopped working. This is a prepaid SIM. And I don't know what's wrong. So I called. Oh no, I went on Me Orange app on my phone, and it said you couldn't activate Me Orange app because my phone service wasn't working and I had no access to my phone service. So that was fucking useless. Then what I do? When I tried to make a call, I get robo voice, excuse me, that tells me I can't make any calls right now, and dial this special number, 1470. So I dial 1470, and the person tells me that, what did she tell me? Just turn the phone off and turn it back on again, wipe the SIM card contacts off, and everything will be better. I said, I already tried that. Didn't work. Okay, try it again and then call us back. Yeah, all right, whatever. So I go into an orange store. He looks at my account. He says, everything's fine. I don't know what's wrong. Call this number. It's a 900 number. I said, I can't make calls on this phone. Oh, well, I don't know what to tell you then. Well, fuck you. Then what did I do? Oh, then I found a non-900 number, plus 34 number that called from my other phone. Luckily, I have another phone. And to speak to customer service representatives in other languages, because I wasn't quite getting through in the Spanish person. So I asked for English, and he looked at my account and he said, oh yeah, your SIM is blocked. You have to do it online. We can't do it here. Oh, thanks a lot. So I go online, press unblock my SIM. We can't do this right now because there's another operation in progress on your account. I don't know what they're talking about. So I wait about 10 hours, try it again, and this time their site's down for maintenance. So then I go, wait overnight, go back on the website again and try to unblock my SIM, and it says, sorry, we can't do this right now. It doesn't say there's another action in progress. It just says, basically, blow me. At last resort, this has been going on for 3 days. Phone calls no big deal, right? But I can't get GPS because I don't have cellular data. I don't have data. And so I wander around with no GPS. Finally, I call the multiple foreign language number again and get somebody that claims he's going to help me. He said he's going to reset it from there. We'll see. Anyway, it's a bad experience I had with Orange. I don't like them. unless the other ones are way worse, which is very possible because everybody in the U.S. is worse, all the phone carriers. That's why I went to RedPocket. This is fucking crazy. Okay, so that's my fucking phone story. Oh yeah, I totally forgot. Oh, now I totally forgot what I was going to tell you guys. Oh, I remembered. I tell my phone to keep my home time zone. I tell you I have 3 phones. Well, I told the 2 US phone numbers to keep my home time zone, and the one, it didn't. It switched to Spain, Central Europe time, which is all right, whatever. So I put up a little widget on the home screen that shows my home time zone too, in addition to local time. But my second phone didn't switch to Central European time, nor did it keep my home phone. It decided to switch itself to the last place it connected in the U.S., which was Chicago, Ordway, and that's what it thinks my current time zone is. And I say, no matter what I do, maybe I'm stupid, but I don't know. I worked in technology for hundreds of years, and it's just getting worse. No matter what I do, say use network time zone or use manual time zone, it still thinks it's in Chicago. So it's a little bit of a pain in the butt to set an alarm on that phone because I'm never sure how many hours behind the phone is. So I got to use my other 2 phones for alarms to wake up in the morning. Why am I laughing? I don't know. I mean, I totally don't know. Technology's frustrating. I mean, shit. I used to debug mainframe operating systems. I mean, I used to take apart circuit boards and drill out individual little pins when lines were broken. Okay. I'm not sure how much that has to do with moving to Spain, but it does. It has to do with it. Bye. Oh, Sammy Libby, hi. Must be allergic to something.